Good morning, y'all. So today I am going. I have my sister-in-law's lashes to do, so I thought I'd just kind of walk you through how my day goes when I do lashes. But yeah, ugh. My daughter is downstairs with her dad. My husband just took her down. She slept okay. I'm not gonna complain as long as she's not screaming all night and is actually sleeping. I'm okay. I got some packages in the mail last night and this morning. It says that it's there. Which I'm so excited about. I did open one of the packages and it was a little sad because it wasn't what I thought it was going to be, but it's okay. Those are featured videos. I am going to switch something out though, so I could give it a real shot before I just say no and I'm gonna sell it. But yeah, let's get into today. Alright, so I decided to do an omelet today. Spinach, mushrooms, onions, bell pepper. Instead of doing, well, the plan was an omelet. It honestly became more of a scrambled eggs because I wanted to make sure it was fully cooked for my munchkin. Side note, she did not really eat it. So, yeah, if anybody knows how to get a baby to eat meat or eggs or drink milk, let me know because we desperate over here. She hates pretty much all of it completely. So of course I'm gonna go ahead and cook the veggies first, and then I throw in the eggs. I did notice I forgot tomatoes and I ended up cutting that up and adding it as well. And that was today's breakfast. And of course, it's time to go ahead and clean up after breakfast. So much fun. I did have some stuff from the day before as well, so I am cleaning all that up, washing all the dishes, and, washing and rinsing. Alright, let me get started making dinner. Something that's quick and easy and I can just throw in the oven as soon as my sister-in-law gets here. So it could be done by the time. Well, actually, it'll be done a little bit before I'm done with the lashes, but yeah. Growing up, this was one of my favorite meals that my mom used to make. So you cut up some potatoes, some carrots, broccoli, and I also actually I ended up putting some bell peppers and some onions because I had it, and I feel like it gives it additional flavor as well. If you guys want the full recipe, I can do a reel on it. Just let me know. Alright, so this is the base. Veggies, I gotta get the chicken ready, and then season everything. I'm not really giving you guys full details of the seasonings because I feel like it's basically whatever you prefer. I am Hispanic, so I actually use sazon, adobo, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And just kind of mix it all out with some oil. That is just what I do personally. And I am frying them. Alright, so I always kind of fry the outer part of the chicken before I put it in here, and I'm going to cover it, and we're going to put it in the oven for 2 hours at 350. Constantly checking it, of course. I did put all of the seasonings in here. Put a little bit of rosemary in it, and it has a little bit of oil. And of course, I put the butter right on top of there, and I seasoned it as well with the same thing as the chicken, just a lot less. And of course, you got to put water so that it doesn't, dry out the chicken or the veggies. But yeah. Put the chicken on top of the veggies, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pour the liquid that I made over that so all the flavors can get incorporated. And of course, the liquid is so it doesn't get dry. Put aluminum foil and poke holes in it just so it could really steam. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the kitchen and clean it up a little bit. Clean the kitchen super quickly so that dinner can be in the oven, and I want to clean everything later. Alright, so now it is 3:50. My daughter took a good 1 hour and a half nap, so I'm about to check it. My husband actually just took it out and flipped the chicken and put some of the liquid on top of the chicken so it won't dry out. I'm just gonna check it just to make sure that it's still good. Yeah.
and this is what it looks like, nice and ready to eat. It was delicious. My munchkin had a little bit. She honestly devoured more of the broccoli. I'll take it. Anything that she'll eat, I'll take at this point. She didn't really want to eat the potatoes, but she likes french fries. You know, the struggle is real with a toddler, but it was delicious nonetheless, and it was really, really good. This was my baby's plate. And then I am gonna go ahead and start doing my sister-in-law's lashes. She was late, so yeah, classic. So I did a really, really classic eyelash. She likes it really, really natural, so that is what I'm doing here. And then of course I clean up my station with Clorox wipe and alcohol to make sure it's all sanitary. All right guys, that is it for today's video. I gotta go be with my munchkin and my husband, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.